Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Hulu application on your iPhone. To download Hulu app on your iPhone is a straightforward process, so here's how you can do it. First of all, open your App Store. In the search box, type in Hulu and search. Once you get to the search results, open up the Hulu Stream TVs and shows and movies this application on the screen and then tap on the Get button to start downloading Hulu on your iPhone. Hulu is a popular streaming service that offers a wide range of TV shows, movies, and original contents. Once you get the application installed, go ahead and log into your account or sign up for a new account and get started with Hulu. So that's how you can easily download the correct Hulu application on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.